You see, many of us, we tend to think that forgiveness is an option that I have. That if I want, I'll forgive. But if I don't want, brother, I'm going to hold on to this to the day of resurrection. I'm going to hold on to this to the day of resurrection. La habibi la. Doesn't work like that. Because a part of being a believer, a part of being a Muslim, a part of being the follower of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam is to have a heart that forgives. Not only does it forgive, but it loves to forgive. I'm here to tell you today that there is absolutely no scenario, no issue, no situation that you could put forward before me that gives you any right to not forgive your Muslim brother. Nothing. And this is deen. This is real deen. This is the deen of the heart. This is the deen of breaking the nafs. The deen that no one likes to play with.